Hello from Arizona. So I have been here for a couple of weeks now. As an international student, life is very different, and now I was wondering if I can get a driving license in Arizona. So I had a lot of questions like, as an international student, can I get a driving license? Secondly, what all documents do I need? And thirdly, where do you have to go and meet to get your driving license? So as in, you have to give a test, then you have to also give a driving test apparently, and a lot of things that we'll know with the vlog. So far I know that you have to reach to DMV, which is in Tempe. So to reach there you can take a public transport bus number 81 from McClintock, and the documents that I have carried right now are basically one identity proof and two of them are my address proof. So first one is my passport and visa. Secondly, for the address I have carried two proofs, which is my lease agreement, signed lease agreement, and the third one as a address proof, that is my renter's bill that I have paid. So you can also get your bank account statement, but as my bank is completely new, like the bank account is completely new, I do not have any transactions in it, so I could not get the bank statement. So that could also have a good option, but I do not have that. Also, I have carried few of the other things like Savings form and I-94 and DS-160 and all those, which I had for my visa interview, but I don't think that will be needed, and I can tell you surely when I reach DMV and talk to the guy, the responsible person for the driving license. So let's get going towards the DMV now. I'm waiting at the bus stop here at McClintock. I have few friends with me, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so here's what I got to know. Firstly, to apply for a driver's license you have to get a driver's permit, and for that you have to submit few documents, which are, for as an international student you have to submit your passport and your I-20. That's it. And they give you a form. In that form you have to fill in your address, and then they will just ask you to verify it, and then you have to pay $7 fees. After that they'll ask you to take a test which has 30 questions. Out of that you have to clear 24. If you pass 24, then you will be asked, like the test will close. If you fail to answer 7, then the test will again close. Okay, and yeah, post the test they ask you to submit your documents and give you the permit. Post getting the permit you have to schedule the appointment for driving test. That can be any day once you practice. So that is the thing that I have to do. The amount of fees that I have paid for permit is like $7, and I have also got information for driving test. I think you have to pay $25, but that I will get to know on the day of driving test. So stay tuned for that. Hi. So this is second day, that is like a road test day, and prior coming to here you need to book an appointment from the website. I'll just put a link in the description. So you need to take the appointment, come to DMV, the same DMV that I had, like I came to the same DMV from where I got the driver's permit. Things you need to carry for today are like passport, I-20, your driver's permit, a car's insurance, and car's registration. So these are the things that you need, and they will ask you to get a driver's license or whether to get a federal driver's license. So with the federal driver license you would be able to fly in USA. They wouldn't ask you for your passport all the time, so I think that you'll get. So I got the one, and you need to pay $25. You need to take the photo again, and all set for the test. So you need to take the car, drive it right here. I'll just show you. This is Tempe's DMV. So You need to get the car right here and wait in the lane. So they'll come and they'll take you for the ride. So I am up for it now. I have got all my documents right here and let's go. Wish me luck. And I'll post what happens next. So until then, see you. And I was rejected. But the good thing about that is now we know what needs to be done if you get rejected. So you don't have to pay the fees. You don't have to fill in the form again. All you have to do is reappear for the test, book an appointment and reappear for the test. That's it. So I'll have to go back to the appointment side and book an appointment again. So that's it. And I'll have to prepare for the next drive also. So yep, see you after the next ride. Bye-bye. Hi, it's a second day. I practiced a bit and then I had booked an appointment at Chandler DMV, and that was early in the morning, 8:30. I could not carry the camera with me, but here's how it went. So I had booked the appointment right after I got failed in the first road test, and then I booked the another one, but I did this at Chandler DMV this time, and because that was available and was near to my house, so I booked it, and then we went to the Chandler DMV early in the morning around at 8, and then I went at the station. They said like I already had the forms with me which I had got print out from last time, so I carried those. I also carried my passport and my permit. With that document I went and they clicked my photo again, so be ready with that. Then they asked me to wait in the road test queue. Then a guy came and it's a similar process again. I had to park my car in towards the right curve and take a bit reverse, and then we went on a bit of a tour kind of thing, and then we drove. It wasn't that hard as it was last time. It was just few right turns and left turns, and we just came back within 5 minutes, and yes, I got the approval, like I passed the test this time. Now the next thing, then he asked me is to get back inside into the DMV and wait in the queue. So just like the last time, once you are done with the online test, they ask you to wait, right? So they give you a temporary permit. So similarly I got a temporary driving license. It's the same kind of paper, but it just says it's not for other purposes. It's just a temporary thing. So I would be getting my actual driving license within a couple of weeks. If not, then I would have to visit USPS. So that's it. So I have finally got my driving license, and I hope this vlog helps you all with all the details that are necessary. If you feel that you have any other questions, you can surely mention those in the comment, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.